little bit wrong. You're a little bit right. I said, girl, you know it's true. It's a little bit me, it's a little bit you, too. And so on, boys and girls. Well, how do their pluckers? Harvest all things again with another hopefully interesting lesson for you from an oldie goldie by the Monkees called A Little Bit Me, A Little Bit You. Actually written by Neil Diamond and probably performed by him as well, but this is the Monkees version. Okay, standard tuning, capo on the 3rd fret, puts us into the same key as the Monkees. Okay. So quite a simple song, quite quick, but it's quite simple. Okay, so the introduction, the iconic introduction, 3 chords, A, D and G. Okay, and you start off with a single strum on a downstroke on an A chord. Okay, nice solid stroke on an A chord. Bit of a pause and then an up and a downer on a D chord, okay? So and then you go the same with the G chord, an up and a downer, back to the D, single downstroke. Okay, so it's slowly. You do that 4 times for the intro, and they also play it in between the end of the first chorus and the next verse, okay, etc. There's only verses and choruses in the song, there is nothing else in it, no middle section, okay. There is an instrumental verse, but once you do all verses and choruses basically, and the intro, okay. So here we go, so let's just do this, we'll go into the first verse, so intro. Okay, so the verse is only A to G, A to G, A to G, so on. Okay, so it's like a sort of a, you know, sort of Latin-y type of beat sort of thing, isn't it? Sort of a so I'm basically doing 2 downstrokes on the A chord, and then going to the G chord. So, and it, so it's dun dun, down up, yeah, and then it's like it. And the second time round, it's 2 upstrokes on the A, so it's down, and then it repeats downstrokes. To the second time round, it's, or every other time on the A, it's upstrokes, okay? And it starts, it's the same on the G. The second time round, it's up, down, it's all up, down, up, sort of. So the first down is bum, 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 bum. You get the feel of it, okay? Walk out, girl, don't you walk out, things we gotta say. Talk out, let's have it talk out, things will be okay. Okay, so it's just A to G, A to G, A to G, okay? So let's just do the whole thing up to that point, shall we, from the intro? Walk out, girl, don't you walk out, go into the chorus, and it's a run from D to G to F sharp minor to E minor. Just round and round and round, okay? Girl. And you can play an F sharp bar chord if you want, F sharp minor bar chord. You could play a G bar chord as well if you wanted to, but F sharp minor, simple version, 2nd fret from the capo, first 3 strings, bar, first finger, and then the 4th fret from the capo on the 5th string and the 4th string with your other 2 fingers, or you can play a full bar. Okay, so D, G, F sharp minor, E. So it's girl. Sorry, let's do it again. So I got that wrong. Girl, I don't want to fight. I'm a little bit wrong, and you're a little bit right. I said, girl, you know that it's true. It's a little bit me. It's a little bit you. When you get to the end of the chorus on that U, it's D, G, D, stop. D to G to D, stop. Okay? So, again, this chorus. Girl, I don't want to fight. I'm a little bit wrong, and you're a little bit right. I said, girl, you know that it's true. It's a little bit me. It's a little bit you too. Okay, and then it goes into the intro again. Bit of a pause. 2 lots. Into the next verse. Don't know just what I said, girl, I apologize. Don't go, it's for you, I like the touch of your eyes. And then chorus again. Girl, I don't want to fight. I'm a little bit wrong, you're a little bit right. I said, girl, you know that's true. It's a little bit me, it's a little bit you. And so on, you get the idea, don't you? Well, there you have it, a nice easy song for you. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.